Morning in the grasslands of Tal Chappar, Rajasthan, I witnessed a battle for survival. A black-shouldered kite, its eyes sharp as obsidian, descended on a hapless skink. The skink fought with every ounce of its being, but the kite's talons held fast. As the battle unfolded, time seemed to stretch endlessly. The skink's resilience was astonishing, but the kite's beak was relentless. This was a testament to the raw, unforgiving ways of nature. In the heart of Tal Chappar, I stood witness to the untamed spirit of the wild. The battle between the kite and the skink was a contest of survival, etched into the annals of nature's harsh but wondrous